to the industry completely. What would your thought be on that?
It is the fault of our generation that people are not interested in textiles. I spent 7-8 years studying ecology and thinking about wildlife conservation, and it was only my sort of inner churning that brought me back to business.
What were the family values?
What does it truly mean in practical terms?
Which core beliefs eventually changed over time?
Business is all about making and fulfilling promises. If there is stability inside, only then will you be able to find it outside. AI is the new smartphone to delivery within 7 days. This is as exciting as automotive or IT are taking so many decisions. And that sort of completely paralyzes the ability of the organization to think for itself. So surrounding yourself with young people will ensure that you get challenged at every step of the way, which is a good thing. Because this generation doesn't hold back out of respect or out of fear. And which is the way it should be. And we should question how we do things a lot.